Alrighty, welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're talking all about Xero brushes. Xero now has brushes and they are awesome and really great price points. Probably one of the best things about it is good quality and great price points. I have been testing these brushes for quite a long time. So I've been testing the Boar hair. The Boar hair is awesome. It lasts very well. Of course, with Boar hair, it's always gonna wear out quicker than nylon, but very impressive, very full, as you can see here. And then I have the Xero rinse bars. We also have a rinse bar now. I'll show you a little bit about that with the system and the jets all hooked up. Also have the Xero contact scrubber on here, which is a walnut pad attachment. It goes up and down as you use it on the window, and then have the fast lock angle adapter where you can quickly change your angles and quickly latch it and you're all tight and good. But let's check out the brushes. Let's check out the hybrid first. And I also kind of just want to show you so that when you get these, you kind of know what to do with the push to fits and the different hoses here. A little Xero sticker there. So here is the hybrid brush. The hybrid brush has Boar hair in the middle, then it has nylon on the outside. This is gonna be great for French windows, commercial cleaning, maintenance cleaning. Some people also prefer these for their main brush, kind of as more personal preference. These come with 2 pencil jets on the 12-inch version. It will come with 4 pencil jets on the 18-inch version. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna connect this push to fit in there. Just give these a good push, and then your water fed hose line from your pole is gonna go right in there. Also, I chose mine with the swivel. You can get this fixed too. So it's just this block is down here and it doesn't move left to right. I love a swivel. It allows me to stay really flush with the glass. So that's what I prefer. That's the Xero hybrid brush. That is $89 for the 12-inch. For the 18-inch, it's $119. All right, and then the Xero Boar hair brush, my all-time favorite. This now, what you're gonna see is different than from mine, and I cut off mine. It's gonna come with 4 pencil jets. So you'll get this. When you get it with a swivel, it's gonna be a little bit different of a configuration than when you get it with a fix. The fix is gonna have 1 push to fit that all 4 hoses are gonna go into. It's gonna be real obvious how to connect those. But when you get them like this, what you're gonna wanna do is just connect and push that down on that green hose there. This here, it's a push to fit. Push that, it fits, and then just run this hose here, and this hose into there, and boom, you got your hoses, and you'll connect your hose line from the pole right into there to get water out of all 4 jets. But you see how full that is? 99 bucks. That is great compared to some of the competitors out there. This also you can get in an 18-inch version, and then we also have pure water power brushes that you can get an upwards to 23 inches in a pure Boar hair. A little heavy when it's fully out there, but work really well. Once again, got this with the swivel. So if I just had this angle adapter without the walnut pad holder, and literally all I have to do is bring up the latch and then tighten the latch, and boom, my angle's held. I typically always use it at about this angle here. But let me turn on the Max Plus here, and I'll just show you the flow that comes out of these, and I'll show you the flow of the rinse bar too. And if you're just brand new at water fed and you're saying to yourself, Steve, how does this attach into a pole? This stem right here on the fast lock angle adapter just goes right into #1 clamp on any Xero water fed pole. This is also gonna fit Gardner poles. It's gonna fit Tucker poles as well, as far as the same inner diameter on that top of all the new poles that are out there. So let's check this out. Maybe I have this closed. Oh, I do. We'll plug this into here. So this is the 4 pencil jets. Oh. Make sure all your hoses are connected. This can happen. Just give those a good push, and boom, you're all good. I want to just give a little bit more push. Boom, all good. So those spray in the face a little bit, you know what to do. But you can see that pressure is crazy. So this is a Max Plus, so 4 pencil jets. You could probably even turn it down a little bit. So it's kind of nice about these. If you ever have tried one of those, you can turn the pressure down with the brush a little bit. I like the full pressure. That is the 12-inch Boar hair with the 4 pencil jets. 2 pencil jets. It's gonna be some great pressure. We'll do a little water test here. Oh, all good to go. So very far, very crazy far. That's the hybrid. Simple, simple. And I'll show you the rinse bar too. I actually have my reducer on there. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna put this directly onto here. And that's the rinse bar. So just so you know, the rinse bar is a little bit different from other rinse bars, that it has this display. So what's nice about it is you can just hold it very close to the glass, and I would suggest that, just so the displays don't hit anything you don't want it to hit. But that's the rinse bar on the 12-inch Boar hair brush. So if you have any questions about any of these brushes, comment below, or you can contact me at 970-599-1437 to purchase any of these brushes as well. And that's it. And we also have an all nylon version as well, that comes in 12-inch or 18-inch if you like all nylon. I'm always a fan though, more of Boar hair for anything dirty, and then hybrid for anything maintenance. But got any questions, comment below. We'll see you later. Peace. Bye.